Welcome back. This is the fourth installment of my deep, dark noises of the Honda Trail 125. I was hoping we'd only keep it to 3 segments, but here's the fourth. I'm gonna let you listen to a sound here. See if you recognize it from the first video. There you go. Once again, I've got piston slap. Of course, this is not a Takegawa piston cylinder anymore. This is a Yuminashi piston and cylinder. This is actually the second 164cc piston that I've destroyed. Obviously, it's not a piston or manufacturing defect. There's something wrong with my setup. So over the next couple of days, I'm gonna try and get that sorted out. My running theory right now is that I don't have the proper fuel injector, although the Hyper E Takegawa kit claims that you don't need an upgraded fuel injector for the setup I have, either the 143 or all the way up to 181cc. I think, judging by what I've looked at the forums and other people talking, a larger injector is probably what's happening. So I think I'm failing these pistons. As I get up to my top speed between 60 and 70 miles per hour, my fuel injector runs out of steam. I start to go lean. I heat up the piston and the piston skirt, the piston rings, they all heat up and ultimately melt a hole in the piston, or in the case of the Takegawa, get the skirts all scuffed up and cause piston slap. So I'll be taking this out, this piston out, taking a look at it in a separate video, and we'll see what's going on with this, and then we'll upgrade a fuel injector, replace the piston, and go from there. Once I figure out what's really going on, I'll leave a comment down below, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. Thank you.